Here with another video on Ron Brown's YouTube channel. Today we're here to talk about the DJI Mic 2, the wireless mic that allows you to connect with many devices, DJI, non-DJI, and also you can just record it internally to the mic. These things are great. I got a full video on this or whatever, full review video. I'll link that somewhere either down below or at the end of the video. But what we're here to talk about today is just last week this mic got the DJI Mic 2 got a firmware update to version 04.05.01.11 for the mic and the the receiver here, which is in this like little kit here. Here's the like the receiver, and the firmware update is the same number for both of them. So I'm going to show you in the video at some point how you get everything updated here. This is kind of just an overview here. This update actually promises an improvement to the video quality, and some people were not as happy with the video quality as I was with the Mic 2. They thought like the equivalent Rode mic sounded better. But hopefully this update will get the DJI Mic 2 sounding as good as that Rode mic to a lot of folks out there. So I'm going to, in this video, I will try to do a test the audio quality between a mic that has been updated and one that has not been updated. We'll try to show you how to upgrade your firmware, not only for the mic, but also, the mic and the receiver both, to get them up, because it's a little trickier. You just don't open up, like the DJI Fly app and hit a button like you do for the drone. So we're going to try to get a lot done in this video here in a short amount of time. So just, stay tuned. If you have any questions, of course, leave them down below in the comments, and I'll try to get back to you. I'm not an audio expert in any way, at all. My goal of my videos is to just get kind of good, clean audio without, a lot of background noise or wind noise or interference. And these mics have been great for that. Again, you can connect them to many different devices, of course, with the receiver it comes with. You can connect this directly to the Pocket 3. You can connect it directly to the DJI Action 4, Action 4 video, action camera, and many other devices, some of the Insta360 cameras and so on. So very useful, because with the Bluetooth it connect to your phone, and not all of them have the same audio quality through Bluetooth as other ones do. And of course the Pocket 3 has a kind of a mini version receiver built in, so it has like the best connection outside of using the receiver here. So you can of course use them along with other DSLR style cameras or whatever that that have the ability to connect this to them or whatever. So I mean, very versatile piece of equipment here. So let me stop talking here and let's just get right into it, folks. Okay, we're going to do the sound test to see how much the firmware update for the DJI mic improves the sound quality. So here I have a mic that has been updated, and so I don't get confused, I put the wind muff on it, but I'll actually do the sound test. I will take it off, and here is the DJI Mic 2 that has not been updated. So I guess we'll start with the Mic 2 that hasn't been updated first, and then we'll move on to the mic that was updated. So I'm going to record, rather than record on a device, I'm going to record directly, to the mic by, just enabling that button over here. I think I'll actually maybe be in 32-bit float. I'm not sure. It doesn't matter, because I'm not going to do any editing or whatever. So I'll make sure both of them either have 32-bit float on or off. So again, it doesn't matter, because we're not going to do any post processing to the audio quality whatsoever. So let's turn it on here on the side. All this does is, by me not doing it directly, the mic takes any the device I'm recording without a question. Like if I did this on the Pocket 3 or whether I did it on the receiver, whatever, maybe those devices could influence the recording in some way or another, where just going directly into the mic. Take any other factor out of the equation outside just the mic recording on its own. So okay, let's activate a recording on the side here. Okay, so it's now recording internally to the mic here. So I'm just going to hold both of them. People say you shouldn't hold them, but it's going to be equal because I'm going to hold the other one the exact same way as this. So, okay. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing the audio quality on the DJI Pocket 2 mic with the new firmware update. Not installed on this one. Not installed. So this is the I don't have the number handy, but this is the old firmware update, and the new firmware update is supposed to improve the audio quality, for the Pocket 2. So we'll find out when we do the same test on the a mic 2 that has been updated to see if you can detect any difference in my audio quality. Okay, and test. Okay, that ends the test for the DJI Mic 2 that has not been updated. And now we will go to the one that has been updated. We'll remove the the wind muff here that I used just so I could keep them identified. Okay, we're going to turn on the side here. Okay, it's on. Okay, you can see this one was looking for a Bluetooth device, and the other one was looking for the receiver. Actually, I forgot to turn the other one off, so let's turn that device off. Okay, it's off and the recording has been stopped. So this one's on, and we're going to activate recording internally into the mic. See, it tells you up there by that red. Okay, so I'm going to hold this approximately just like I did the other one. So testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. We're using the DJI Mic 2 with the firmware update installed. So this with this new firmware update, it's supposed to improve the audio quality of the Mic 2. In many ways. I want you to notice, take notice now if you see any improvement with the Mic 2 with the firmware update over the Mic 2 that did not have the firmware update, whether you can hear any difference at all in the audio quality. Of course, I'm in a room here with no background noise whatsoever. The only thing you should be hearing is my voice and maybe the hum of the air conditioning going on here in the office, but otherwise it should be completely quiet. So okay, we're going to end the test here. Okay, so we will stop the the recording right there on the mic. We will turn the mic off, and we will put the wind muff back on to indicate that this is the mic that has been updated. So so that ends this part of the video here where we kind of test the audio quality here. So let's jump to the next part of the video. Okay, to upgrade the DJI mic 1 or mic 2, you go to DJI.com, as you can see there. Type that in, and when you're at the main page, scroll all the way to the bottom, look for where it says support, and then look for Download Center. Under Download Center, you want to go down to the item you want here under products, and then go down to find microphones. See DJI series. Then you want to go to Mic 2 or Mic 1 if you have Mic 1, Mic 2 here, and here's the firmware for the receiver and the transmitter. So you hit the download button over there. I'm on a Mac here. This is what it looks like on your Mac computer. I'm in the Safari web browser here. So this is what it looks like. I don't know how it differs on a Windows computer, but download both the firmware update for the receiver and the transmitter, and get them on your desktop. Okay, and here's what it looks like on the desktop here. Sorry, my desktop is crowded with stuff here, but you can probably see it. I hope maybe you can make that clear there. It'll say DJI Wireless Mic 2. Basically, it's a bin file, so maybe that's clear there. So you want to get that bin file on your desktop. Okay, and then take your DJI Wireless Mic 2 here. You can tell it's a Mic 2 by the kind of see-through thing there. So you want to grab a cable here. In this case, it's going to be a USB-C to USB-C. This is the official DJI cable came out of the box for either this mic or maybe it came out for the Pocket 3. Anyhow, this is an official DJI cable, so it'll work. Any other cables, any high quality USB-C cables should work, but if you have any problems, it's probably the cable. So if you have a DJI cable, best to use that. Okay, now I have one end of the USB-C cable plugged into the the side of the mic there, and the other USB-C and plugged into the USB-C port on the side of the computer. Then on the desktop, it should appear as a file, saying no name there, right? And I have it right beside the DJI bin file there. Okay, so once you have the mic plugged in, you want to drop the bin file right on top of the thing that says no name there. Now you see it's in the same, it will work there. It's in the mic now. Okay, so you can close all that out. Okay, when you're in Mac here, you want to make sure you eject that no name thing. It looks like a little drive there because basically it is a portable drive. So you want to plug that or else you'll get a message saying it's not ejected properly. Okay, so now you want to unhook this, from the computer now that you ejected it. So once you've got the bin file on here, so what you want to do is you want to turn on with the button on the left-hand side there, the power button. Okay, now it's on. There's the blue indicating it's looking for a Bluetooth device there. Okay. Now you see that blinking back and forth of green to yellow, green to orange. That's indicate that the firmware update is, it's loading it up. So it could take a few minutes. Just blinking back and forth, red and green, red and green. Don't do anything. Don't turn it off. Don't do anything at all. Just let it go through its upgrade process here. Okay, once you see that blue light, it's completed. Now it's looking to pair with a Bluetooth device, so you're good at this point. Now, if you want to confirm that your software is actually upgraded to the latest version, what you can do here is, do this many different devices, but happen to have the Pocket 3 here. So you want to go, and the thing's connected because you see that green bar going across there showing that, the peaking. So you want to pull down from the top, go over to this setting right there, the kind of the gear wheel. And let me see if I can focus this up a little bit better here. Okay, so go to the wireless mic. And you see the TX1 you see is connected. So you want to scroll down here. You'll see various settings here: vibration, low cut filter, 32-bit float. So at the very bottom here, it says transmitter version. I hope you can see that. I hope that's clear. Anyhow, it's that version 04.05.01.11, which is the current version, just came out last week. So that's how you confirm it did do the update properly. All right, folks, a bit of a conclusion on this video here. I got the, just to get the little, we'll call it the receiver out here. You update the receiver the same way you do, the mic. You download that bin file, you hook it up to the computer, you drop it on, and then you turn the device on, let it do its thing or whatever to upgrade the device. Again, I'm not going to show all that because the same exact process as doing this. So, so we're going to wrap up from there. So you heard the, you heard the audio from this mic. This is the one that's been updated, and I don't have it here right now. The mic is not updated. And what I did is, you see me talking. I went in there and cut the audio out that I recorded here on this camera and inserted the audio in from the mics or whatever underneath. So that is the audio from the mics and not the audio that the camera was capturing. I kind of inserted it right in there. It just kind of looks, cooler if I'm, sitting there saying it or whatever. So, so I'm not going to bias you by telling you which one I thought was better, or basically, I don't bias you with telling you I thought, the one with the upgrade, it's much improved and it's the bee's knees and it's better than sliced bread. I'm going to let you leave it down in the comments below whether you thought you heard any improvement from the mic that wasn't firmware updated to the mic that was updated, whether you noticed any difference at all, or if you did notice a big difference, that's great. If you didn't hear any difference, put that in the comments down below also. So, I don't have the Rode, whatever the most recent Rode mic is, to do a sound test, see if, this is as good as that Rode mic, because a lot of people say that the Rode sounds a little bit fuller or whatever than, which I think is what they said in the notes here, which I put in the video near the beginning, but I think they said fuller sound, or they use the word fuller, I'm pretty sure, but whether this sounds fuller now and it compares, more favorable to that Rode mic, which again I haven't tested. You see a lot of buzz when people say the Rode sounds better. So yeah, so that's it on this test. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it made sense to you. I hope showing you how to do the firmware update helps, because a lot of people, when I do these type of videos, talk about the mic and updates, they say how do you update or whatever, because again, it's a little confusing, compared. It's not, just as easy as doing like updating drone or something like that. So yeah, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If if you're not a subscriber already, subscribe. Do a lot of a lot of DJI content on here, a lot of drone content, and just anything involving a small content creator, action cameras, pocket cameras, anything like that. I cover at some point or another. So and of course, again, ring that bell so you don't want to put a new video up on this type of content. And thank you very much for everybody who stayed at the end and watched this video. I'll drop a link down below to the wireless mic 2, this mic separately, and the kit or whatever. I am an Amazon affiliate member, so I do get a small commission off anything you purchase through this link. So please help the channel out that way. If you want to help the channel, but you want to buy anything, I have that what do you call it? It's a button down there where you can throw me a couple bucks, and I also have a buy me a coffee link where you can throw me a couple bucks too. So appreciate it. Helps the channel go. Helps me get more content and more items in here to do reviews on more stuff. So we will see you on the next one, folks.